In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Pinterest app to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to look for Pinterest through Google Play Store if you are on Android smartphone or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm using an Android, so I'll go ahead and look for Play Store. And as you can see, my Play Store here is here. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And from this, I'll go ahead and tap on search and then just search for your app. Now from this, you can see our app is here. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have this option called update. Now, when you see this, it means you have been using an outdated version of Pinterest app. Now, to get the latest features that comes with this app and also fix security issues as well as fix bugs, go ahead and tap on update. And this will begin the update process. The latest version of Pinterest app will be downloaded on your smartphone and then installed. Now, once the installation is done, now you can see we have this option called open, meaning you have the latest version of Pinterest app. Go ahead and tap on it to open and start using the latest version of Pinterest app. So that's how you update your Pinterest app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.